Thought of the day. Never say mean words out of anger. Your anger will pass, but your mean words can scar a person for life, so use kind words or be silent. Never say mean words out of anger. Your anger will pass, but your mean words can scar a person for life, so use kind words or be silent. Once there was a boy who was talented, creative and handsome, but he was bad-tempered person. So father, concerned about his personality flaw, wanted to teach him a lesson. So father gave him a hammer and a nail and asked him to drive it into that old fence when he loses his temper. The first day he drives 37 nails into the fence. Gradually holding a temper is easier than driving nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all and proud to share with his father. As a sign of success, father asked him to pull out one nail each day that you don't lose your temper even once. And it's done. Then father asked him to have a good look at the fence you have done, and he asked him to notice the hole that are left behind. Sayings or doing hurtful things in anger produce the same kind of result. There will always be a scar. It won't matter how many times you say you're sorry. Years may pass, but the scar will still remain back. Never say mean words out of anger. Your anger will pass, but your mean words can scar a person for a life, so use kind words or be silent. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.